Hello everyone, this is your nature aquarist back with another video. Do you guys actually remember the tank which you see in front of you? Well, if not, I will show you a clip of how it used to look before. Well, now it's clear, right? It was clearly infested with green dust algae. The whole aquarium was covered in it, but the plants were actually healthy. So I somehow rescued it from that, and then now it looks like this. If you haven't watched that video, I really suggest you to go watch that to see how I rescued my tank from the algae and it became like this. You can actually watch the video by clicking the link or the video card which appears in the top right corner right now. Otherwise, I'll make sure to drop a link in the description so that you can click on the link and directly go and watch the video. So in this video, I am attempting to do some minor adjustments to this tank so that I can change the way it looks. So without further ado, let us begin. What I am actually going to do with this tank is that there will be a minor adjustment of plants which you see here, especially on the right side of the tank, this part. Here you can see that the Ludwigia arcuata has grown really tall and there is actually an empty space in the middle, that is this section. What I am going to be doing here is to make some minor adjustments with the plants and the hardscape so that it looks like a triangular scape. And in a triangular scape, what I mean is that the the left side of the scape will be really tall with plants, and when they eventually come down, they will come down in a slope where the plants will be less taller, and the right side can be even left empty, or you can actually use a carpeting plant there. So in the foreground as well as on the right side of the tank, there will be a carpet of Monte Carlo, and I have some more plants which you will get to see when I am really making the video. Now let us begin with the actual work. So guys, this is how the scape looks after the whole work has been finished. Now let us wait for Mother Nature to do her magic. I know the background looks really ugly and I need to cover it with something. So hoping to do that soon enough, and I think that's all to talk about right now. Oh yes, one more thing. The Hygrophila sp. araguaia, which you see in the front, are in the immersed form, or I think almost all the plants which I used right now were grown in the immersed form. So they'll take some time to actually adapt and become in their, or like develop to their submersed form. So let us wait for it and see what happens. So that's it for this video guys. This is your nature aquarist signing off. Bye bye.